Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I will show wired options to connect your movie mobile to a TV step by step. Use a USB-C to HDMI or Lightning to HDMI adapter and an HDMI cable for direct connections. Plug the adapter into your phone and connect the HDMI cable to your TV input labeled HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Set the TV input to the matching HDMI port with your remote and wait for video to appear on screen. For MHL phones, connect with an MHL adapter and external power to support video output. Next, I will explain wireless casting methods to stream movies from your phone to TV. Use Chromecast, Roku, or built-in TV casting by tapping the cast icon in your streaming app. Make sure both your phone and your TV or dongle are on the same Wi-Fi network before casting. AirPlay works with iPhones and Apple TVs when both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and have AirPlay enabled. For best performance, use 5 GHz Wi-Fi for reduced lag and smoother 1080p or 4K streaming when supported. Finally, I will cover common problems and settings to get your movie playing reliably. Restart phone and TV and update apps and firmware if casting or mirroring fails to connect. Check OS versions on your phone because Android 5.0 and later, or iOS 12, and later provide modern mirroring and app compatibility. Enable screen mirroring in your TV settings and grant permissions on your phone when prompted to allow discovery. If wireless lag persists, try a direct HDMI connection or use a stronger 5 GHz router near both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.